In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a very basic thing. It's basically how to install WordPress with Softaculous apps installer through cPanel, which it used to be Fantastico, but it looks like people are changing to this. I don't know, it was a surprise to me when I went in there one day. So basically it's not that hard, it's not rocket science. What you do is you just go to WordPress, and it comes up just all this fun stuff. You go to blogs, you click on that, click on WordPress, this will come up, and then you just click install. I'm going to be installing it on a subdomain. I don't want it to have any extensions, so basically the installation is going to be on the root of tutorials.spddev.com. If you wanted it to be like within a blog directory on a certain website, you obviously would put blog, and then it'll be tutorials.spddev.com/blog, just in case you didn't know. For the database name, it's nice that you're going to be able to change this now. From Fantastico, I don't think it allowed you to do that much. So with this, I'm just going to change the database name to something I choose. Table prefix, same thing. It's nice to be able to change that because hackers will insistently look for the WP underscore for the prefix in the database table. So I'm just going to change that to anything, and I'll change this to whatever I want. And I'll just leave that blank because I don't really care about a description, but it might make me, so I'll go ahead and just put something in. Also, it'll let you enable the WPMU, which is the multi-site platform for WordPress, and that's awesome, but I don't want to do it, so I'll leave it unchecked. And I'm going to leave that as is because I'm going to change it in a minute, but I ain't going to let you see it. I'll change it to the admin, and of course I want my installation details, so I'm going to put my email address here, and then I install. And it'll do this. Very exciting. And then it'll come up with your data. And so if you click on that, mine's not going to come up right now because I just created the subdomain, so it's going to take a second. But as soon as that comes up, it will be up and ready for you, and that's it. And the one thing with the overview, which is really nice, is you can do backups directly from this area. You can do any edits you need to, as well as delete it, and it'll delete everything. So that's awesome. And that is all.